Good day everyone, my name is Jesnimi and I'll be presenting on behalf of Team Poland our strategic plan for introducing Eden, a smart indoor garden set, into the Polish market. This presentation will cover our product concept, market opportunity, competitive analysis, sales and promotion strategies, pricing, entry strategies, risk mitigation, and HR staffing policies. Urbanization is rising in Poland, especially in cities like Warsaw and Crowell and Wrocław. Many residents live in apartments with limited outdoor space, which reduces access to fresh, locally grown produce. Eden is designed to meet this need. Eden is a smart indoor gardening system that allows Polish households to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and small fruits year-round. It integrates hydroponics with adaptive lighting and an app for watering and nutrient monitoring. This app is fully in Polish and provides culturally relevant recipes using herbs like parsley and basil. The modular design allows families to expand this garden easily, making it suitable for small apartments or larger homes. Eden also offers a subscription service for seed pods sourced locally in Poland, promoting sustainability and supporting the local economy. Marketing opportunity. While smart indoor garden exists in Poland, none are fully adapted to Polish lifestyle. Current market leaders like Click and Grow, Let's Pot lack Polish language apps, cultural relevance, and locally sourced materials. Eden fills this gap by offering advanced technology, a subscription model, and a product that connects with Polish values like family wellness, practicality, and eco-conscious living. Our marketing strategy emphasizes Polish cultural values. We position Eden not as a luxury item but as a tool for family wellness and self-reliance. The product encourages family interaction, promotes education for children, and strengthens connection through cooking and gardening together. Let's look at Eden through the viral model. Value being high, Eden saves time and effort, provides year-round growing, and supports wellness, while in rarity is moderate, as indoor gardening is still emerging in Poland. Imitability is also moderate because basic features can be copied. Advanced tech like folk bonus and app integration is harder to replicate. And for organization, it is high as Poland has strong logistic, tech-friendly consumers and EU support for green initiative. This positions Eden with a sustainable competitive advantage in the market. Our competitors are Verdant, Click and Grow, and Let's Vote. Verdant, being a Polish-based company, eco-friendly but limited in scale and international recognition, while Click and Grow is globally recognized but lacks cultural adaptation. For Let's Vote, it is affordable but has basic functionality. Hidden advantage is local adaptation, Polish language support, and integration with family and cultural values, giving us room to capture markets by addressing gaps competitors leave. Eden targets urban residents aged 25 to 45, both male and female, middle to upper middle class with university education. Our ideal consumers are professionals, young couples, and health-conscious families living in apartments with limited outdoor space. Psychographically, the value sustainability, healthy eating technology, and family bonding. Eden provides fresh, organic herbs and vegetables, smart automation, and educational experience for the whole family. Eden brand's name represents growth, purity, and natural beauty. We position it as empowering Polish families to grow fresh, healthy food at home, smart, sustainable, and simple. Packaging uses eco-friendly materials and minimalist minimalist Polish inspired design. The app is fully in Polish and sees posts feature popular local herbs and vegetables. The modular design accommodates small apartments or larger homes. Option for hydroponic or soil cultivation provides flexibility for consumer preferences. As sales strategies leverage high digital engagement in Poland, along with wellness and sustainability trend. Eden is marketed as a modern, effortless solution for urban dwellers and families. The selling proposition is freshness and tradition simplified. We emphasize freshness, connection to Polish gardening tradition, and simplify with automated features. Distribution will include major supermarkets like Beidroka, Carrefour, and Tesco, as well as e-commerce platforms, local events, and urban installation to generate social media buzz and direct engagement. Our promotion strategy blends digital advertising with traditional and non-traditional media. Social media campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok demonstrate product use, while for traditional media, radio and print media uses a broader audience, and we also use non-traditional media, which is eco exhibition and urban installation, create experimental engagement. We also use storytelling, highlighting family and tradition to build emotional connection and encourage adoption. Pricing is positioned slightly below Click and Grow's mid-range models to remain competitive without appearing cheap. For example, our smallest unit is $110 compared to Click and Grow's $124. Larger units are priced strategically based on features, subscription services, and added cultural value. Tiered pricing and family bundles cater to different customer segments, balancing affordability with perceived equality. We are pursuing a large-scale market entry. Since Click and Grow is not fully established in Poland, a large-scale entry demonstrates commitment, builds trust, and positions Eden as a long-term player. While there are financial risks if the market does not respond as expected, careful execution and marketing differentiation maximize potential losses. Eden hardware is imported from certified electronics manufacturers in China. Seed pods are sourced locally and from certified EU suppliers. Eco-friendly packaging comes from Polish suppliers. Our sea fries are used for hardware, air fries for perishable components, and local trucking for distribution to Warsaw, Krakow, and Wrocław. This approach ensures cost efficiency and product quality while supporting local suppliers. Key risks include supply chain disruption, competition from retailers, limited consumers awareness, IP imitation and regulatory barriers, technology malfunction and price sensitivity. Solutions include diversifying suppliers, differentiating through subscription and app features, targeted marketing campaigns, trademark, warranties, and tiered pricing to accommodate different budgets. Eden follows a geocentric HR policy combining local and global talent. Local staff manage marketing and operation, ensuring cultural adaptation, while experts provide technical expertise and strategic guidance. Though it may be expensive at the start, it gives way to find the right talent and help with the managing being better from the beginning. Key roles for Eden include a country manager, a marketing manager, supply chain coordinator, and customer experience manager, being that a country manager will oversee all operation, the marketing manager will adapt campaign and manage partnership, and the supply chain coordinator will ensure that the seeds and pork quality are good, with logistic being always on hand and well set. The customer experience manager will manage the app feedback and client education, communicate more with the client so we can have an on base with them. Expatriate compensation include competitive salaries, housing allowance, cost of living adjustments, and performance-based bonuses to ensure retention and motivation. As the best way to get people motivated is through incentive and making sure that they have a good health care with them. Providing education for their kids to relieve them of burdens and make it so that they can focus more on their work. In conclusion, Eden addresses the growing demand for fresh, homegrown produce in urban Poland while emphasizing sustainability, family wellness, and smart living. By combining advanced technology with cultural adaptation, subscription services, and educational value, Eden is positioned to succeed in the Polish market, outperform competitors, and create a meaningful connection with consumers. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any questions concerning Eden. If you have any, please make sure to leave it in the comments. Thank you.